St. Joseph's College for Women Autonomous, Visakhapatnam. Welcome to St. Joseph's open web-based learning platform, So eLearn, for a soulful and enriching e-learning experience. Department of Commerce and Management, St. Joseph's College for Women Autonomous presents SMOOC, St. Joseph's massive open online course on enterprise resource planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. This is Module 5, Emerging Trends on ERP. Chapter 5.1, Extended ERP Systems and ERP add-ons like CRM, SCM, and Business Analytics. I am Dr. Divya Joseph, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, St. Joseph's College for Women Autonomous, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Learning objectives of emerging trends on ERP. Through this module, students will be able to understand extended ERP systems, understand ERP add-on basics like CRM and SCM, learn what is business analytics, analyze future trends in ERP systems, understand web-enabled wireless technologies and cloud computing. Students, in earlier classes we studied ERP as an integrated system that connects core business functions like finance, HR, and production. Today we move a step further towards extended ERP, which goes beyond internal integration and connects the organization with the external environment such as the customers, suppliers, and partners. So, enterprise resource planning integrates internal business processes, whereas extended ERP, it expands ERP beyond the organization to include external stakeholders. The definition of extended ERP, it refers to ERP systems that incorporate external facing applications such as customer relationship management, supply chain management, business analytics, and e-commerce and supplier portals. So remember this, that traditional ERP is inside the firm, whereas extended ERP is inside plus outside the firm. Now, the need for extended ERP. In today's competitive and digital business environment, firms cannot operate in isolation. They need real-time coordination with customers and suppliers. The reasons for evolution of ERP are globalization of business, need for real-time data sharing, customer-centric approaches, complex supply chains, and data-driven decision-making. For example, a retail company using ERP alone can track inventory. But with extended ERP, it can predict demand through analytics. It can communicate with suppliers through SCM, and it can engage customers through CRM. Now we go to ERP add-ons. ERP add-ons are specialized modules or system integrated with ERP to enhance its capabilities, to enhance its functionalities. The characteristics of ERP add-ons are as follows. It is modular in nature. It is integrated with ERP database. It focuses on specific business functions, and it provides strategic advantages. You can think of ERP as a central nervous system, whereas an ERP add-on can be understood as a specialized organ, improving the functionality. Customer Relationship Management, that is CRM. CRM is a system that manages interactions with customers to improve satisfaction, loyalty, and sales. Its core functions include customer data management, sales automation, marketing campaigns, and customer support service. CRM helps firms to understand customer behavior, preferences, and buying patterns. The CRM functions that include customer data, sales automation, marketing campaigns, and customer service can be of different types. It can be operational CRM, which includes sales and marketing. It can be analytical CRM, which includes data analytics, or it could be collaborative CRM, which includes customer interaction channels. For example, a bank using CRM can be using customer relationship management to track customer transactions, to offer personalized loans, or to improve service quality. The benefits of this would be improved customer satisfaction, increased sales, and better customer retention. Now we come to supply chain management. Supply chain management manages the flow of goods, information, and finances from supplier to customer. The components of SCM include procurement of raw materials, production planning, inventory management, and logistics and distribution. SCM ensures the right product reaches the right place at the right time. For example, a manufacturing firm orders raw materials via supply chain management. It can track the shipment via supply chain management, and supply chain management will also manage the warehouse inventory. So the enterprise resource planning consists of internal data, which will include the production and the inventory data, whereas supply chain management will deal with the external coordination, which is related to the suppliers and the logistics. The benefits of these are reduced costs and improved efficiency, and also faster delivery. A real life example of this is Flipkart or Amazon delivery chain, which uses supply chain management for bettered efficiency, reduced costs, and to ensure fast delivery of all the orders. Business analytics. Business analytics involves analyzing data to support decision making. There are different types of analytics. The first one is descriptive analytics. This is where the focus is on what happened. The second type of analytics is diagnostic analytics. This focuses on why it happened. The third type of analytics is predictive analytics, where the focus is on what will happen in the future. And the fourth type of analytics is prescriptive analytics, which focuses on what should be done. Now, ERP collects data, but it's analytics that converts it into actionable insights. There are different types of tools which are used for these purposes. They include dashboards, data visualization, or AI and ML algorithms. For example, a company analyzing sales or sale trends will focus on forecast demand, it will focus on planning inventory, and will focus on identifying profitable customers. The benefits of this would be better decision making, forecasting accuracy, and a competitive advantage in the industry. Integration of ERP with add-ons. Extended ERP works through seamless integration of ERP, which is a core system, of CRM, which focuses on customers, of SCM, which focuses on suppliers, and finally analytics, which helps with decision making. All of this combine to make an extended ERP system. ERP is at the center, CRM is on the customer side, SCM is on the supplier side, and analytics is on top analyzing all the data. This integration ensures that a decision in one area automatically reflects across all systems. The advantages of extended ERP include improved coordination across departments and stakeholders, real-time information sharing, better customer service and cost reduction, including efficiency, and strategic decision making. The challenges of extended ERP include very high cost of implementation of the whole thing. Secondly, complexity in integration because you're using different elements to make sure that you achieve one goal. Third one is data security issues because this involves using a very high volume of data for decision making. And the fourth one is resistance to change because change is always faced with resistance. Now, apart from these four, another challenge is the need for skilled workforce. So all of them contribute to being the challenges in implementation of extended ERP systems. The conclusion of this module. Extended ERP systems represent the evolution of business technology from internal efficiency to external collaboration. Organizations that effectively integrate CRM, SCM, and analytics with ERP gain a significant competitive advantage in today's data-driven economy. Thank you.